wananchi Kenya hii.
Piny owacho mar kaunti ma Laikipia ojiw mondo ochwal rang'iny mar manuspaa boma ma Nanyuki kod Nyahururu kaka yore yaro thuolo mag ohala e gwengego. Ka giloso Nanyuki e kinde yiero, jotelo jokanyo mag duol mochung'ne jiwo ohala kod dongruok kembe pachoka Kenya National Chambers of Commerce and Industry owacho ni okang' makamano biro miyo jopiny thuolo mar timo ohala kuom seche 24 kendo ting'o malo yuto mar kaunti kod Jodak makono. Jotelo mag duol majiwo weche mag ohala kod kembe makono singo tiyo kod piny owacho mar kaunti ma Laikipia mar mondo miyo siemnegi kuonde ma ginyalo kete maino mondo gwengego dongre.
Na ukweli na tumefanya hiyo uchaguzi imekwisha, na nashukuru watu wa Laikipia wa biashara na waendelee kukaa kama mandugu na wadada wakifanya biashara. And again I would urge the chairman to kushikanisha chemba ya Laikipia na the county government and the national government.
Notably, you cannot achieve anything without working with the government. And for us as chambers, we don't just speak on behalf of the corporate, the big boys. We really represent the mama mboga, the SMEs. This is actually where our niche is. And this is where the majority of the business are. I personally am in agribusiness, I'm an agripreneur. And one thing I know is that 80% of the food we eat in this country is supplied through the small businesses, the traders. So indeed, this is where our focus is.
Tunaomba county government ya Laikipia iendelee na shughuli za kufanya Nyahururu pia ikuwe municipal, ndio pia iweze kupata zile manufaa ya kuwa municipality. Pia kuna zile towns zingine tunataka zikuwe na town boards for the same reason. Jambo la tatu, tumeandikia serikali ya county tukitaka Nanyuki ipate 24 hours economy, ndio watu wetu wa bodaboda hoteli watu waweze kufanya kazi usiku na mchana.
Jatatije Makojolo